Hey pretties, so today we're just jumping straight into it. Before I go into like the deets about this hair, I will be showing you guys how this hair looks like in natural daylight without like the artificial light on my lights and stuff like that, because I think it's mandatory that I show you guys now, only because a lot of you guys said that on the comment sections and I took note of that. And also right now my lace is showing crazy white. When I was walking to do my errands this afternoon in sunlight, you literally cannot see my lace, so I'm just so confused right now. I'm confused, but I love this hair, you guys. I love this hair. This hair is totally a move. Let me take my jacket off for this because, you know, I was trying to serve you guys a look. So obviously it's like, this is more like a chill, laid back type of review, because I feel like sometimes I'm just too uptight with you guys. Like, this is how it is, this is this, this is this. I feel like a lot of my girls like that, but also I wanted to let you guys, you know, like have a little chit chat and really like talk to you guys as I review these wigs. As if, you know, you're standing right here in this room with me, just, you know, having girl talk. Yeah, I love this wig though. Like, this hair is totally bomb. This is like a long bob. If it's not, somebody would tell me in the comment section, no sis, it's not a long bob. This, that, and the third. Sis, she is definitely a long bob to me. Let me take out my AirPods. She looks like a long bob to me. She's about 14 inches. She's so freaking cute. I think she reminds me, and babes, if you guys don't like Kim Kardashian, I'm sorry, but I love her. I think she reminds me of one of her looks that she was serving. This hair actually looks like, you know, when you just got your hair permed for the first time and your hair is like, it has length, it's full, and it has a lot of body. That's that look that it gives me, although I never got my hair permed ever in life. But I'm here to say that I have sisters and cousins where that had happened to, and their hair looked completely like this the first time they ever had their hair permed. So I love that look, like that full, healthy, straight look, you know what I'm saying? Yes, not too thin, not too full, lots of body. Yes, I'm living for her. The only thing that's kind of making me cringe is this lace right now. I really gotta show you guys how this lace look like in natural sunlight, because sis, it's like lace wear, but obviously in this video is like lace there, boo. Lace is definitely there. Let me give you guys like the specs and the deets on it. I know y'all feeling it. I know y'all feeling it. So this gorgeous hair is by Premium Lace Wig. The length that I got was the 14 inches, like I said. The name of this wig is called Bob Malaysian Virgin Hair Straight 360 Lace Wigs Pre-Pluck Hairline with Baby Hair. Pause. This wig did come with a little bit baby hair, especially this is a 360 lace, by the way, you guys. You can definitely put this up in a ponytail. It did come with a little bit baby hairs. I did pluck a little bit. You don't have to pluck straight out the packet. It does come already ready with a natural hairline already, but I just wanted to give like a little bit a little extra, you know what I mean? So I did pluck it just a little bit, not too much. Yeah, it was so easy to apply, you guys. So cute, and you could literally take it out the package and apply it on your head like that. Do come with everything in the package, you guys. Let me show you this. So this is the box, right? And it comes like with everything that you need: a comb, you know, stocking cap, a little pamphlet, you know, tell you guys how to take care of it for my girls that's out there that's like new to wigs or whatever. And this is super great for my girls that's out there for new wigs too, like I said, because they have literally everything in there for you. Like, it comes with a little, you know, little baggie with goodies. I didn't get to open this one, but I did open another one. It had 2 clips in there. The other, it's like a little other packet. Let me bring it to show you guys if I can find it. Okay, so apparently I can't find it, but it comes with a little stretchy thing in there, 2 clips, and along with bobby pins. So I did like that about it. And I guess this is like just a little gift bag. I thought it had goodies in there, but just a little gift bag as a souvenir, I guess. One thing that I did take note of was the 2 clips, the comb, and the bobby pins, because sis, every time when I'm trying to style out my hairs and put on my hair, I have to go searching out in the box of dungeon and a box of full of my supplies for my hair, because, you know, I just have to go fishing for it. It's like, where's the bobby pins, because they all get lost. So I do take note of, you know, companies that do that, that applies their little supplies in there already, where you like, they take care of you basically once you purchase from them, so you don't have to go ahead and buy any excess supplies. Everything is literally in the box already ready for you. And that was super bomb premium lace wig, y'all. Good job. So as far as the combs, you guys, there's 3 combs, and it didn't come on top on here, which is amazing, by the way. I was like, yes, sis. So it came 1, 2, and 3. So 1 in the middle, and then 2 on the like sides right here. As far as this construction cap, like as far as is it big head friendly, it is big head friendly, and they do have other sizes for girls that if you feel like, you know, you got a little bit bigger head than usual, you know what I'm saying? And for my small peanut head girls out there too, they do have a size for you, so you guys can go ahead and check up on it. They do have, like, you know, a little section where you guys can go ahead and click on there and select the different type head cap sizes if you'd like. So this is straight obby, so it is straight, you guys. It comes straight out the package like this. I did go ahead and straighten it just a little bit, just like 1 pass throughout each section, and that was it. Now the lace color says it was a light brown to medium brown, sis. It is, but I don't know why it's showing light. It's showing real light on camera, sis. I don't know. Like right here looks alright, but it's just right here, like, you know what I mean? Am I bugging? Like, comment, let me know if I'm bugging. I don't know, sis. All right, this is Swiss lace, you guys. I did get this wig within 3 business days, which is super bomb. They say usual shipping is 2 to 4 business days, so that's pretty bomb. Yeah, everything was pretty straight on forward. I did love everything that they did so far with as far as customer service wise. I hadn't heard anything crazy about premium lace wigs. I do take note about a lot of things that you guys say about companies, because sometimes they do tend to favor influencers. So my main focus is you guys, and so far they did so right by me, and I've heard a lot of good things about them as well. So I definitely would recommend them as far as customer service, and so far as their product wise, I love everything so far on. Other than that, you guys, I love it. She's definitely a winner. I think she's so cute and adorable. I love her, you guys. I just don't know what else to say. One more thing that I possibly want to go over is obviously the price. So it starts at the price of $85, you guys. So now the longer the length that you would want, the more it would be. You guys, I love this hair. I feel like it's really affordable. This wig is definitely for you, baby, because you can definitely ball on a budget and have some great quality along with amazing customer service. I loved how premium lace wigs treated the whole process when it came up to like getting this wig and everything else. She's definitely serving. Come on, sis. Come on, sis. Y'all know the vibes. Anyways, the links will be down below. Go ahead and pick up yours right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And like always, till next time, later.